Hi guys! Today we're talking about something big, how ChatGPT and generative AI are actually changing entire industries. And trust me, it's not just hype, but it's already happening. Think about it. Earlier, if you wanted to design a logo, you had to hire an and pay thousands. Now, AI tools can do it in seconds. Copywriters, even coders. Generative AI is doing tasks that took humans hours in minutes. But here's the interesting part. It's not replacing all jobs. It is actually shifting the kind of work humans do. For example, instead of needs. Look at healthcare. AI is already helping doctors analyze scans faster.
In marketing, AI creates ad copies, but humans still bring creativity and strategy. Even in movies, entire scripts and visuals are being co-created with AI.